Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 24 hours have been a good time for the traders because the market has been super volatile, and that can be seen by the fact that Bitcoin was retesting close to 70k a couple of hours ago and now has fallen back to 68,000. Same thing happened with Dogecoin. It was retesting close to 16 cents and now fallen short to just about 15 cents. It's very important for you to understand this is due to the fact that there are so many big traders which are trying to take their money out as we are above the 64,000, and they know that the market is going to become super volatile as the crypto market will be heavily impacted by the US election, which will be coming to an end in about 72 hours. The trading volume has fallen by about 50% in the last 24 hours. At the same time, Dogecoin post-election rally every single time has been quite a good one. Dogecoin's latest bullish flag pattern can push the price to some new highs, and November has always been the best performing one. JP Morgan sounds alarm on massive market shift tied to the election result, and BRICS are getting ready to get some more nations into their partnership. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just tap the YouTube algorithm, push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the overall market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, and then we're going to be seeing the market climb, and a lot of us are going to make a lot of profit. One thing that is important for you to understand, right now the market is sitting at a very critical stage, because if you just pay attention to the way Dogecoin is performing, now it's very clear we were in a very strong uptrend. We went into a small consolidation, breakdown, another consolidation for 2 days, and a breakdown that we just received about, I'd say 8 hours ago, and that breakdown has pushed us back to 15 cents. Why have we come back to this critical stage? Or why is this a critical stage? Because you can see that there have been few times where the support has been tested. Now, every time that we have seen this has reacted in a negative way. Now, that's only if you're looking at Dogecoin. If you compare to the overall market, Bitcoin has shown a positive trend after crossing close to 68,000, but holding this support is going to be the crucial state. What I'm trying to say is if Dogecoin is able to consolidate pretty much exactly what we did with the previous time, that's going to be the key point. If we consolidate here, very high likely that we're going to keep going up. And the reason for this is because we're going to keep making those higher lows. And that's exactly what we need for the market to keep climbing. But if we do fall short to this, which is going to be close to 14.5, that's going to be the turning point, and maybe the market actually might see some bigger lower lows, which a lot of long traders are not going to be very happy about. On the other end, you can see that every post-election rally has been very good when it comes to Dogecoin, and this time around everyone is anticipating something similar to happen. Now keep in mind, what is really important is who's going to win. First of all, I'm not in America, so who wins doesn't really affect me, but if Trump wins, it's going to have a lot positive impact on the crypto market, and actually especially Dogecoin, because Trump is so closely related with Elon, and Elon loves Doge. If he decides to join into, let's just say he decides to join the government and name himself as Doge, or Deputy or Department of Government Efficiency, that's going to be the turning point, and we're going to see some really strong inflow of cash for the Dogecoin market. That can also be seen by the way the signs have been. The market is hinting towards a correction in the near term, and keep in mind another thing that's important is November has always been the best performing month for crypto. And October did decently. It wasn't such big numbers, so November does have a stronger potential to show more explosive returns. JP Morgan is talking about how there might be a big market unexpected change that can happen, because the JP Morgan analyst explained that with key province of 2017 tax cuts and Job Act expiring in 2025, Congress will likely revisit the tax policy, as failure to extend these measures could rise the tax significantly. And if they do decide to rise that, you guys know that's not going to be very good. JP Morgan expects that both parties might push for at least a partial extension. Through specifics will depend on the election's outcome. Now, election is going to be very important because the type of money that's going to flow into the crypto market is also going to be heavily driven by who is going to take the lead. And BRICS is also going to be affected, as BRICS granted 13 nations partner status, signaling ambition for wider influence. Nation aim to strengthen the currency network and reduce dependency on the US dollar. Now keep in mind, if they're able to get away from US dollar, they're going to need an alternate, and right now they are working on blockchain, trying to create a currency that can be used by everyone, but that would take a long time to put together. But in that time, if we are able to see some sort of correlation with crypto, that could be the turning point. And keep in mind, there are some big banks around the world which are trying to get in contact, or let's just say they're trying to have a little bit more connection relating to crypto, and one of the largest ones being in Switzerland that just happened in the last 24 hours, trying to connect things with the Ethereum ETF. Now the open interest has dropped another 4%, just falling short to 900 million, and the long to the short ratio, well, let's just say the long traders are still racking up this pullback and they are not leaving anytime soon. Now, in the last 24 hours, 100,000 traders have been liquidated with a total of $230 million. And let's just say it's not been a good day for the long traders. Now, with 21 hours to go, the weekly Bitcoin candle is starting to look not so good, because you guys can see every time it doesn't actually show any sort of movement, it usually has another explosive move, and it's not in the right direction. Potential golden cross on the Dogecoin chart suggests a path for a future bullish momentum, which is going to lead the path for something big to come. And South Korean crypto investor base increased by 21%. Approximately 67% of the investors hold crypto worth less than 500,000 won, while only 0.03% hold over 1 billion. So you can see that over time, there is more people which are actually leaving their crypto, or actually leaving their money in the crypto market, which is a good thing. And CZ reveals his plan beyond Binance, steering towards an unseen horizon. Now, if he does decide to leave Binance, where will Binance be heading from there? Honestly, he doesn't need to worry about it, because he definitely does not want to go into prison again. 84% of the Dogecoin holders remain profitable, and even though the market is on decline. So this should give you perspective how strong the community is together, as being able to still hold really strong even though you're in profit is actually a little bit harder than you think. And these people not wanting to take profit, I mean, the largest holder of Dogecoin has taken a significant profit, and that's where most of the turning point actually started, close to $300 million in a single day. And Tether crushes the third quarter profit records, and we want the stable coins to be very, very profitable to make sure that the overall ecosystem of the crypto market stays in a strong journey. Other than that, honestly, as I keep saying, we got a long way to go. Just be patient. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.